Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting in our Samsung phone guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys how can we disconnect our Bluetooth speaker to our Samsung phone guys. Which any guys you have connected guys any Bluetooth speaker with your Samsung phone and guys you want to disconnect so guys you can disconnect and guys now let's see how to disconnect it. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting with friends I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel so guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. Friends, now let's start video. And first of all, open your phone setting to disconnect it. Then guys, you can see guys this type of settings. So guys, what will you have to do? So guys, click on Bluetooth settings. So guys, first of all, guys, you will have to click on guys connection setting. Then guys, you can see guys one device connected Bluetooth setting. Tap here. So you can see guys this JBL speaker guys we have connected guys Bluetooth. Then guys right side guys you can see this icon. So guys tap here to disconnect it. Then guys you can see guys your disconnect option. So I will click on disconnect option. Then it will disconnect to your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys now we will meet our next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.